Welcome to my YouTube channel, and what we be talking about is the bike. The BMW S 1000RR is a superbike designed for pure performance, featuring an aggressive aerodynamic profile and race-inspired styling. Its sharp bodywork, integrated winglets, and lightweight aluminum frame contribute to exceptional stability and handling. The aggressive LED headlights and signature asymmetrical design make it instantly recognizable, while its precise suspension and braking system ensure maximum control at high speeds. Every element is engineered to enhance aerodynamics, making it a formidable machine on both the road and the track. Inside, the cockpit is designed to provide a focused yet comfortable riding experience. A high-resolution 6.5-inch TFT display delivers real-time data, including speed, gear position, and riding modes. The ergonomic seat and adjustable rear sets allow riders to maintain control in aggressive riding positions, while intuitive handlebar controls make it easy to switch between riding modes and electronic settings. Bluetooth connectivity offers access to navigation, calls, and music, adding convenience without distraction. The aerodynamic windscreen reduces drag, enhancing speed and stability at high performance levels. Under the hood, the BMW S 1000RR is powered by a 999 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine with shift-cam technology, delivering a perfect balance of torque and top-end power. The lightweight titanium exhaust system not only boosts performance but also produces a thrilling exhaust note. The advanced electronic suite includes a quickshifter, launch control, wheelie control, and dynamic traction control, ensuring optimal power delivery in all conditions. Fine-tuned chassis geometry and an improved swing arm design further enhance cornering precision and overall rideability. Front, the BMW S 1000RR is built for those who demand the ultimate riding experience. Whether dominating the racetrack or carving through winding roads, it offers an unrivaled combination of speed, control, and cutting-edge technology. With relentless performance and race-inspired engineering, this superbike stands as a true icon in the world of high-performance motorcycles. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more such videos.